Hi, you guys.
Hello, darling.
Hi, Paula.
Isn't she the cutest thing, y'all? How long have you been at the Loveless Cafe?
29 years.
29 years, y'all. And the Loveless Cafe is known for their relishes, your preserves, your biscuits.
Fried chicken.
Y'all, fried chicken. Carol is in charge at the restaurant of making all these relishes. So we're gonna be making a peach glazed ham with a peach corn relish. I'm gonna take your pot and I'm gonna go ahead and put your seasonings in it, and that's for our relish. So I'm just gonna drop 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, mustard seed, and dry mustard. Now, Carol, I see that you're prepping our veggies.
You have to have half of an onion, half of a sweet red pepper.
And while you're putting all those things together, I'm gonna put our ham in the oven.
That'd be good, Paula.
That'd be good. By the
1/3
time I did
vinegar.
something, ain't it?
I'm telling you, what you been doing? We supposed to be working, honey.
I know. I'm gonna put our ham in the oven, y'all. And this is just a regular cured ham. It's not one of your country hams that y'all do at the Loveless.
No.
I'm gonna put our oven on 325 degrees, Carol. And I'm gonna let that cook for about 1.5 hours.
Right,
And it's a beautiful, beautiful spiral ham.
Yes, it is. It's a good one.
It is a good one. Carol makes all of the preserves or relishes that's made at the restaurant, and she also does the biscuits.
Yep, they call me the biscuit lady.
They call you the biscuit lady.
Yep.
Oh, I need to get your sugar in here,
Yes.
don't I? So I'm just gonna add this 1/2 cup of sugar to our pot.
And we gotta put our onions in.
All right, now she has used, what, 1 medium-sized onion, 1/2 of a big green pepper, 1/2 of a big red pepper.
Yeah, sweet red and sweet green.
Yes.
You don't need no measurement, honey. Just get your stuff in there.
So I'm gonna be peeling your peach for you, okay?
Thanks, Paula. She's too good.
Who taught you how to cook, Carol?
My mama.
Oh, she did.
Yes, she did.
And you are one of 9
Nine.
children. 9
Nine,
children.
I have a niece, but my mama raised her, so she's our sister too. But I'm the baby. I'm the baby of the line.
You are the baby.
Yeah, I'm the baby.
Are you married?
No, still single.
You've never married.
Still single. No.
Guys, how would y'all like a hot biscuit for breakfast? Miss Carol will serve you up a hot biscuit with a big old smile.
Oh, yes, I will.
And now, how do you want this to end up looking? Okay.
Diced very little small cubes.
Okay.
We got to put our corn in.
Okie dokie. And how much corn was that, Carol?
About a cup of yellow corn.
Okay. And do you use fresh or frozen? Does it matter?
It doesn't matter. Pinch of cloves.
Yes.
Just a pinch. We don't want it to taste like paprika.
No, because cloves are very, very strong. Tell me, is it true you've done every job in that restaurant?
Yes, I have. Yes, I have.
What was your least favorite of the jobs?
The least favorite was, dishwasher.
It was.
The dishwasher.
That's a hard job.
But you gotta do what you gotta do.
And what was your favorite part of your job?
My favorite one was cooking.
One day, y'all, as the restaurant business is it's such a typical story, the cook didn't show up.
Yep, she didn't show up. And they pushed me on the grill. And I better had my stuff together by then.
And you ain't been off since.
No, I
have you?
haven't, Paula.
Now, while I dice these peaches, Carol is going to be adding 1/3 cup of water to our saucepan. And then I'm going to add the peaches to the pan. And a pinch of cloves.
A pinch.
A pinch of cloves. Now, is that a big enough pinch to suit
yes,
you?
that's a big enough
Okay. Then we're going to take 1 cup of your corn relish and
Put it
add
in
to
with
our
the
peaches.
peaches.
And then we're going to serve this relish along with our ham. Are they done enough?
Yes, they're done enough.
Okay, so we're gonna take a cup of that
Cup of this corn.
wonderful corn relish. Oh, it smells so good. I smell that vinegar. All right, so we're gonna let that simmer just for a few
let it
minutes.
simmer a little bit.
Does that look to suit you?
It sure
Because
does.
I aim to
It
please.
sure does, huh? That look good.
Does it look to suit y'all? Because I aim to please y'all too. Come on down here, sweetheart. We are going to make the glaze now for the ham.
Okay.
All right, now, y'all, these are some of Carol's real peach preserves that she put up.
Just peach and sugar and a lot of stirring.
A lot of loving. Brown sugar loving.
Yeah. We need honey mustard.
All right, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of a Dijon honey mustard. Look at these wonderful, rich peach preserves, y'all.
Half cup.
Now, you know Carol has cooked the ever-loving sin out of those.
Thanks, Paula.
You're welcome,
And we gotta
sweetie.
put a little hot sauce in it.
Yes, look at there, teaspoons. Perfect.
There you go.
Hot sauce for a hot lady.
Woo, child, you know it, honey.
Speaking of hot.
Woo, Lord, it's hot in here.
Y'all, welcome back. I'm in here in the kitchen with the cutest little woman you have ever seen, Carol Faye from the Loveless Cafe, Nashville, Tennessee.
Yes.
Do you ever see a lot of stars?
Oh, girl, yes. They come in there all the time.
All right, who is your favorite? Can I ask that?
Vince Gill.
Oh, I love me some Vince. I was
some
just
Josh
with him.
Turner.
Y'all, we took our ham out and we're gonna glaze it, you know, with that peach glaze, those wonderful preserves that Carol made. We're gonna put it back in the oven. We're gonna bake it for 20 more minutes. And I got a treat for y'all today. All right, Carol, let me get
We
that
gotta
back
put
in
this
the
back
oven
in the
for
oven.
you. Watch, it's hot, honey.
Woo.
Look at that. Takes
That's looking
teamwork,
real
doesn't it?
good.
All right, so 20 more minutes. Gonna give it a real sticky finish, y'all. Earlier, Carol shared the recipe for this wonderful corn relish. And now she's serving them up in peach halves, which I think is just the neatest little thing. You're doing that. How about if I fix us a little plate?
Okay. Look at that.
That is some fine eating.
Yes, it is. Whew.
That is fit for a king, honey.
Yes, it is.
Come on over
We
here,
ready.
girlfriend. Dig in. Ooh. This is yummy. I think she's got it going on. That's what I think.
Thanks.
She and the Loveless Cafe have got it going on. I love your ham.
Thank you.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.